So what are we looking at here? We're looking at a very well restored, mechanically sound 1980 Pontiac Trans Am. It sounds awesome. It goes plenty fast. It's really fun to drive. You know, I wouldn't be afraid to drive it all the way to Atkinson. We had been involved with Team Jack from the get-go, and we had been running their logo and trying to raise awareness around the Midwest in dirt track racing. And so that's really where we got started with the Team Jack Foundation. When we heard about Andy's situation, we felt like we needed to do something more. So this car came from a small town in eastern Nebraska, and so my team, my wife, my family, we literally tore it down to absolutely just the body and the frame, and we rebuilt the entire thing. We felt like it would be a great opportunity for us to donate it to the foundation and have a raffle, and hopefully we can raise a lot of money. This car's going to a great cause and a great foundation, and we just really hope that it raises a lot of money to help more with the pediatric brain cancer research. And why that's so important to me is, you know, I'm just super blessed. I have a healthy family, healthy children, and you know, I just felt like we needed to do more. And this is going to be more. This is going to be awesome. And the person who wins this car for a $100 raffle ticket, I can't wait to hand them the keys. I can't wait for them to start it up and hear it run and feel the power and really enjoy it, knowing that everybody who contributed to this cause is going to help raise some more money so that we can help fund some of these clinical trials. These kids that are getting these treatments, they need better treatments. The treatments are outdated. They need to have a better quality of life when they go through the treatment process, and that's what we need to raise money for.